just came to the city. I was up pretty early. I was up for 5 o'clock this morning, but always wanted to try this. Wendy's breakfast. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Baconator breakfast sandwich. These are good by themselves. Don't need dip. Never go wrong with Wendy's. Mayo, bacon, cheese, egg. Do this big chunk right here. Knows I don't put anything on it. It's not mayo. It's cream cheese. Oh my god, this is good. Oh my god. This is so different. I would have done just regular cheese sauce. I didn't get a coffee because I can't drink coffee anymore. And people think I do drugs. This is all cream cheese instead of using the cheese sauce. Bacon's so good. That's a great thing about Wendy's is their fucking bacon. You can't deny it. The egg's well done. That bite had no cream cheese. Still really good. I would have done the cheese sauce though. Here's a quick Wendy's hack. If you want a bacon mushroom melt all year round, get a Son of Baconator or get a Baconator plain, add cheese sauce. The plain part is they don't put mayo or ketchup on it, so it's just cheese sauce. But oh my god. I always give Wendy's a high rating. A little bit of ketchup this time. This burger's almost too rich. I mean, like rich in flavor. That cream cheese is just wow. No shortage of bacon. Oh, that is sausage. I was trying to figure out where the spice is coming from. I thought it was a burger patty. Here, let's try that burger. Sausage. that's different. Oh, now I just fucked up my burger. Very peppery. Yeah, the sausage has some spice to it. I was trying to figure out where that heat was coming from. Wow, it's the sausage patty. It's got some serious bite to it. Really good. I'm gonna have the biggest shit when I get home. Really impressed with these. Like, they're thin. They're like not wedges. They're actual chips. I was gonna get a generic breakfast, but I don't know. If you're gonna do a Wendy's breakfast, go all out. What did this cost me? Just under $12. Yeah, just under $12. So value, yeah, it's pretty good value. That's another thing with Wendy's. Always have decent prices. You can't go to McDonald's and get this and be happy. Nothing happy about fucking McDonald's and their Happy Meals. They should change the name of their Happy Meals to Crappy Meals. Okay. So rating out of a 1 to 10. I wouldn't have got cream cheese on it, but I wanted to try it as is. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of a 10. And that's out of breakfast sandwiches, not burgers. Burgers, I give their burgers like a fucking 9 or a 10. Yep, 7 out of 10. Pretty half decent number. Potato chips, pretty good. You must dirty up their deep fryer though, with all the seasoning on there. Yeah, okay. Well, Wendy's, Brandon, Manitoba, 18th Street and Park Avenue. Always guaranteed good food here. I don't ever have to complain here. But when I do have good food, I like to go up to the counter and tell them that it was really good. Well, that's it for now. I hope you guys like that food review. Yeah, if you're ever at a Wendy's, check it out. If you're up early enough, go try their breakfast. Pretty interesting. And just to forewarn you, they put cream cheese on their stuff. Okay. And the Baconator sandwich doesn't have hamburger, it's sausage. But it was still really good. Okay, everyone have a good one. Peace out.